Hello kids of class 6th. Welcome to maths class. Today we will learn more about geometrical shape like curve. Curve are also two types, open and closed figure. And also we learn about polygons. Polygon is a simple closed figure made up entirely of line segment. So understand them. I am going to start exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Classify the following curve as it is open and it is closed. You have A, B, C, D, E figures. You have to find out it is curved or it is open curve, closed curve or open curve. A, that is Z. It is a curve but it is open curve. B, it has closed, so that it is closed curve. C, open curve. Here line segment are not connected with together. D is closed curve and E is closed curve. Now you have question number 2. Understand these, which are curve, open curve, and which are closed curve. Or do you know about curve? Curve are the doodles. So like if you have a paper and you doodle them, that will be you have a curve. It is open or closed curve. Now question number 2, draw rough diagram to illustrate the following. First you have to draw open curve. Second you have to draw closed curve. Your answer are, some examples are there. Open curve like T or curved, and like this you can draw these figure on the geometry copy. Closed curve, it is totally closed, get together. Okay, you have some examples of open curve and closed curve. Now question number 3, draw any polygon and shade it into any polygon. Polygon means number of lines are more than one. These are called polygon. This is a figure and you will shade it with the pencil. Now next question is here. Question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the question. You have a figure. First, is it curved? You have to tell it is curved or it is closed. Yes, it is curved. And now you have to explain this. It is curved. Yes, it is closed. From all sides it is closed. Now question number 5. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with the rough diagram. You have A portion, a closed curve that is not polygon. Closed curve you want but not a polygon. You draw any type of curve. This is your answer. B, an open curve made up entirely of lines and only you draw T, that is open curve. Now you have C, a polygon with two sides. Polygon with two sides be draw yourself. Okay, now you understand exercise 4.2. You have complete this. Now we talk about, after completing exercise 4.2, we will talk about angles. Do you know about angles? Remember it, that angles are made when corner are formed, so like. Now you have to start exercise 4.3. That is question number 1. Name the angles in given figure. You have a figure, only you have to write down the name of angle. You will use the sign of angle for write down the angles. Angle ABC, angle CDA, angle DAB, angles DCB. You will see point to point and you have a name of a angle. Now you have question number 2. In the given diagram, name the points. A, in the interior of angle DOE. Now your answer is here. You have a diagram. You can see in it point interior. First point question is point interior of DOE. First of all, you see D. Read with me. D and go through the O. DO and then you have E. DOE. There is a middle point in it. That is A. Your answer is A. Now B, in the exterior of angle EOF. Now exterior, that is outside the figure. You have E. Remember, first of all, you point out E. E, O, F. You have the exterior angle is C, A, and D. These are the exterior angle. Now you have C on angle EOF. EOF, you have points E, O, B, and F. Understand this sum? Draw very neatly figure and understand again and again how to write the angles name. Now you have next question number 3. Draw rough diagram of two angles such that they have your first question one point in common. You have a O point in common. Now you draw A, B, C and D. B, 2 point in common. A, B and C. Now you have question number C. That is your question number C. You read out. Now you can see A, O, E, B, O, C. Draw it very clearly and write down the name and parts of the question. Now next question you have. Now we will start with the exercise 4.4. You understand 4.3? Now we get started with the 4.4. 4.4 that belongs to triangle. No, you know what is triangle? Triangle, that is a triangle is three sided polygon. Now get started with exercise 4.4. Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. You have to draw a rough sketch ABC. Make a point P in interior in inside and point Q in its exterior, and that means outside. Is the point A is in its exterior or in its interior? You will first of all you draw it, then you give answer. A is neither interior of the figure nor exterior of the triangle. It is a vertex. So you learn about vertex. What is vertex? That is A point is called vertex. Now next question number 2. Identify triangles in figure. First question. You have a figure. You can see in the book and your screen, and you will write down the answer. The three triangles are triangle. This is a sign. Triangle ABC. You read like triangle ABC, triangle ABD, triangle ADC. Now we have B point. Write the name of 7 angles. You can very easily write down the 7 angles. Angle ADB, angle ADC, angle ABD, angle ACD, angle BAD, angle CAD, and angle BAC. Question number C. Write the name of line segment. You can read line segments are AB, AC, AD, BD, DC, BC, and you will write down the slanting line on it. This is called line segment. D. Which two triangles have angle B as common? B as common in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. So I hope students you understand these exercises very well. Now you have to complete them very nicely and neatly in your geometry. Okay, bye.